Now introducing the Cat Grass Growing Kit by Perfect Plants. Keep a fresh and healthy snacking option for your cat all day long with organic non-GMO wheatgrass seeds grown right here in the USA. To get growing, simply remove the 2 coconut core discs and the small bag of cat grass seeds from the box. Drop both soil discs into the mug, add at least 1.5 cups of water, and watch the dirt expand. Sprinkle the wheatgrass seeds into the top layer and watch it grow. This delicious treat sprouts within days after planting and grows well in both sunny and low-light locations. Just make sure it's within reach of your furry family members and to lightly moisten the soil once a week. Once your cat has enjoyed their grass, you can discard your soil, clean out the 12-ounce mug, and enjoy a nice cup of hot coffee or tea. Be sure to collect all 3 colors of the Perfect Plants Cat Grass Growing Kit, which includes Whisker White, Bengal Black, and Purrrfectly Pink. Happy planting!